Ever felt the walls whispering a story? Dark green wall paint transforms spaces into captivating tales, each brushstroke narrating sophistication and depth. In this guide, we'll unravel the allure of dark green, exploring its psychology, practicality, and transformative power. Why choose dark green over other colors? Join me on a journey into the heart of ambience and style. Picture a room bathed in dark green, where each shade tells a tale of opulence and mystery. Dark green isn't just a color, it's an experience, the forest at midnight, the emerald depths of the ocean, and the mystery of a hidden garden. Throughout history, this shade has been revered for its ability to evoke emotions, from tranquility to opulence. It's the visual embodiment of sophistication and natural harmony. Let's explore the practical side. How do you choose the perfect dark green for your space? Undertones, lighting considerations, and the magic that happens when dark green meets different textures or elements we'll discuss. Whether you're aiming for a modern, urban vibe or the timeless elegance of a classic study, we've got you covered. Imagine transforming a dull room into a heaven of opulence. Through storytelling, we'll delve into real-life transformations, where dark green became the canvas that tells of rejuvenation and personal expression. Hear stories from homeowners who dared to go dark and witnessed incredible metamorphosis. But what about the naysayers? Those who fear the boldness of dark green? Don't worry, we'll address common myths, turning skepticism into admiration. It's about understanding the language of color and harnessing its power to create spaces that resonate with you. As we conclude, remember your space is your story. Dark green isn't just a color choice. It's a journey into self-expression, style, and the timeless beauty of nature. Ready to paint your world in shades of enchantment? Dive in, embrace the darkness, and let your story unfold. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of dark green, hit that like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your experiences with dark green in the comments. Till next time, happy painting!